Okay.
All right, Nikki, what's going on here?
Just go ahead.
What's going on here?
Just got a package.
Yeah?
Pretty sure it's whiskey.
Yeah?
I
It's
don't
not a
know.
bomb.
Let's hope it's not a bomb.
Woohoo! Whiskey would be the nice.
Come on.
That was the
I got
spice of our
my
Saturday.
yeah, I got my whiskey shorts on.
Tattoos are going to be a little sketchy.
Sorry about it.
Someone's got a note.
Oh, let's read it.
Hey Nikki, we thought you might enjoy a little gift from Tennessee. Love my tattoo, Josh Stevens.
Woo!
I know Josh Stevens, but I don't like him.
He's pretty cool.
I
Kid.
don't like him.
Oh my
God.
Oh my God, look what that is.
Look at all this chocolate. Oh my God.
Yeah, we're totally not working today. No.
Oh my God.
There's more. There's more.
These are the bags for all of our bottles for later.
Oh man. Oh my God. He just threw all his trash in
I
there.
know.
Oh,
Hell
buddy.
yeah.
What does that look like? What does that look like? Huh?
More trash.
Huh? Huh?
Can I just drink it like this?
Yeah.
Why
That way
can't
no
you
one
just
knows.
paper bag?
Oh, buddy.
What's the story? Why is he sending you this?
So he was going to send me whiskey, or bring me whiskey, but didn't because someone told him it was inappropriate, which is so wrong.
So appropriate.
150-year-old whiskey.
Woo! Yeah.
You think that'll last the night?
Stay tuned tonight, motherfuckers. Thank you, Josh.